In this video, you'll learn how to book move-out cleaning on Wecasa. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your cleaning service meets your expectations. Begin by visiting the website www.wecasa.co.uk or by opening the Wecasa app on your device. If you are using the app, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the booking process. Once you are on the homepage, look for the option labeled Deep Cleaning. This section is typically highlighted prominently, making it easy to find. Click on it to proceed to the next stage of your booking. After selecting Deep Cleaning, you will be prompted to fill in your address and provide your availability. Ensure that you enter an accurate address, as this helps the cleaning team arrive at the correct location. Note that you will need to specify a minimum availability of 2 hours for the service. It is crucial to specify move-out cleaning in the comments section provided. This is where you should detail all your specific requirements. Being thorough in this section ensures that the cleaning professional understands exactly what you need, which helps them prepare accordingly. The move-out cleaning service typically includes cleaning surfaces, removing encrusted stains, and detailed cleaning of air vents. Additionally, kitchen appliances such as ovens and hobs are included in the service. However, it is important to note that this type of deep cleaning may not always meet strict landlord requirements. For guaranteed deposit return, it may be advisable to consider a specialised end-of-tenancy cleaning company. After you've filled in all the necessary information and provided detailed comments, review your booking carefully. Once you're satisfied, confirm your booking to finalise the process. This confirmation may take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your request. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.